What's going on, guys? We're back in the car and getting ready to head to downtown Toronto for another downtown Toronto condo tour. Today we're going to visit 3 condos priced under the $700,000 mark. These represent great options for first-time buyers or investors looking to add another condo to their portfolio. Now, the downtown Toronto condo market did peak back in February of 2022, and prices have come down roughly $100,000 since then. But with multiple offers already back in the low-rise segment and interest rate reductions just around the corner, I feel now is a great time to be a downtown Toronto condo buyer because condo prices haven't risen quite yet, but I'm very confident they will as soon as interest rate reductions begin later in the year. Come along with me for a ride and let's tour some awesome condos here in Toronto. I've handpicked 3 condos for us to tour today. We've just pulled up to the first one here. Before we head in, I just want to touch on the age of these condos. So the first one is around 4 or 5-year-old building. The second one is around a 30-year-old building, and the third one is around a 15-year-old building. So these 3 options will provide some good variability of what's possible in the $700,000 price point. Now, this first one, I was actually involved in selling it off of floor plans when it was just a showroom and before the condo was even built. So it's pretty cool to be able to actually go in it and see it and touch it now that it's fully built. Let's head on in and take a look at this first condo. The first condo is located at 15 Lower Jarvis Street in the East Bayfront neighborhood of downtown Toronto, a newer pocket that has just recently been developed. The price of the condo is $688,000 and it features 1 bedroom plus den with 1 washroom. It also includes 1 parking stall and 1 locker. The approximate square footage is 650 square feet and the maintenance fee is $556.32. So we're in the first condo here. This one was developed by one of the best builders here in Toronto, the Daniels Corporation. They've been around for a very long time and always build at a high tier of quality whenever they do construct a condominium. This one is no exception. Here we are at the entrance. Right over here, we have a very nice den right at the entrance behind me. This can be easily used as an office space or additional storage space. The kitchen here is very well appointed. We have quartz countertops up top over here. We have this really nice cabinetry and a subway tile backsplash. It's a pretty kind of high-end kitchen from what I see typically in downtown Toronto condos. All the appliances are Millie appliances, which is definitely an upgraded appliance package, but this was standard throughout the entire building. And then you can see all the other appliances are flush mounted or integrated into the cabinetry. Also, more elevated finish package here. Dishwasher too. Notice they're all Millie branded appliances. This is great and adds a nice consistency to the entire building. Up here, these cabinets open in a unique fashion. Over here, it gives you access to a lot more storage space up above. And then behind me, we have this matching countertop with very nice pendant lights. Above it, you can comfortably seat 4 people here, 2 on one side and 2 on the other. Makes for a beautiful dining experience. Then moving a little bit deeper, we have this very functional living space. You can easily see a couch going right over here where there already is one, a TV on the wall right over here, or you can switch it around, put the couch on this side, TV on the other side, whatever you prefer. And then we have a west-facing view of the city. You catch a little bit of the lake over here as well. So very nice view, and you really know what you're going to be getting for the most part here. Now, when we go deeper into the condo, we can take a look at the bedroom, which is just through this door. Bedroom fits a queen bed comfortably with a couple of night tables on either side. It has floor-to-ceiling windows onto the balcony. Get a little bit of the water in the distance there too. And then this side, we have the closet, which is actually a walk-in closet, which is pretty rare to see nowadays. They're becoming less and less common, but very important thing to have if you're living in a condo and you need some additional space. So here we have the washroom with its custom vanities. The entire building has these vanities. I really did like them in the showroom when they were being sold off of floor plans. And this washroom, you can enter it from both sides, from the living room, the kitchen, and the bedroom. So it kind of gives you that dual functionality. Now a little bit deeper into the space, we have a bunch of closets here. Here's a nice storage closet. On this side, you have your stacked washer and dryer over here, and then there's another closet on that side. So plenty of storage space in this condo throughout. And here is the money shot, this awesome balcony with this excellent view of downtown Toronto. It's a west-facing view, like I mentioned, so with the southwest over here, you do get a little bit of lake. You can see the Toronto Islands there in the distance. You can see some of the Redpath Sugar Factory. There's a boat being unloaded right now. And then this over here is Sugar Wharf, the first phase. In time, this will be a condominium development as well, but you know, you have another 10 years before that happens, so you can enjoy the view for now. All right, heading over to our second condo of the day, but looking back on this first one, I think it's a really good layout, very nice finishes, and somebody really cared for it that lived in it. It looked like it was very much in showroom condition, which is very nice to see. It wasn't just rented out for years, so a lot of value for the price point. Now the second one is going to be of a similar size. It is an older building, but it has been completely renovated, so it's going to be a good comparable to this first one. The second condo is located at 270 Queens Quay West in the Harbourfront neighborhood of downtown Toronto, an established pocket right by the water. The price of the condo is $688,000 and it features one bedroom plus den with one washroom. It comes with no parking but one locker and it's approximately 750 square feet. The maintenance fees are $576.84. Here we are in the second condo. Now this one is a lot larger in terms of square footage and you can feel it as soon as you walk into the space. This is also a 1+ den, but a den in these older condominium buildings typically refers to a solarium. Here the solarium used to be several feet away from the window and there was a glass sliding doors that separated the solarium from the main living space. During the renovation, they pulled out the solarium, they combined the den with the living room, with the dining room to make one large open concept space so you can really envision it and use it whichever way you prefer. When you come into the condo, you have this nice foyer area over here, area to sit down, a nice mirror right up here. Then you step into this dining room, which is quite a large dining room by condo standards. It currently has a table for 6 people, but you can easily have a larger table over here as well. We have this nice light fixture, some built-in storage behind it. And then the space spills into the living room, plenty of room for a large sofa over here, plenty of room for a TV on the wall over here. And then a bit further down, you have a nice nook that can easily be an office, additional storage, or really whatever space you want. And right here we see a little bit of the water. We're right at the water's edge over here. Let's move into the bedroom, see what it looks like. Here is the bedroom, also very generously sized. We have room for a queen bed. You could put a king bed if you wanted to as well. This little nook over here, little angular nook you can use for some storage or another office. There are the main closets for the space. And then right beside the bedroom is the main bathroom. We have a tub, nice vanity, shower handle attachment, and a rain shower over there too. And then as we go in this direction, you have this nice transition from the wooded floor to the tiles. And you have a very interesting shaped kitchen. Plenty of space over here for cooking, for counter space. It's been completely upgraded. You have stone countertops. You have this nice shiny cabinetry up there. A nice Boss fridge over here. Lots to do over here. And I kind of like the separation that you have your kitchen right off to the side. And then you have the main living and dining space right over here. It's really quite a lot of space to work with. And that's a wrap on the second condo. What did you guys think of the space? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Myself, I thought the renovation was executed flawlessly. I really like the tile conversion with the wooden panels. That's really sharp and kind of adds a little touch to it. I really like how they took out the solarium, combined it with the living space. Just makes it a lot more open concept, a lot more usable in today's kind of modern living age. We don't need all the separation that I guess we used to need back in the day. So next up, we're going to King West. We're traveling to a 2-story loft. Something really excited, something I love to tour. So let's jump on in and go to this loft. The third condo is located at 1005 King Street West in the King West neighborhood of downtown Toronto, a vibrant pocket right in the center. The price of the condo is $685,000 and it features 1 bedroom with 2 washrooms. It also features 1 parking stall and 1 locker. The approximate square footage is 650 square feet, and the maintenance fee is $603.54. Here we are in our last condo of the day, the 2-story loft. Let's jump into the tour. Once you come in the entry door, you have your closet over here on the left. Then the space opens up into a large kitchen. You have full-size appliances, full-size fridge, full-size oven, full-size dishwasher, which was pretty common back in the day when this loft was built. Overdue for a renovation, that should probably be factored into the price. Then the space opens up into a little bit of a dining area over here, not too much space, but you have a little nook. Then you have a living room, perfect position for a couch over here, a TV over here. This layout really cannot be adjusted too much just because of the kind of staircase and whatnot and the access to the balcony over there. So it really kind of has to be like this. You have a nice light fixture up there. And then this is a ground floor unit, so it spills out onto a nice size terrace over here with some greenery. And then it opens up all the way up to another chandelier up there. Let's see it from this angle. And then over here behind this door is a nice little powder room, a two-piece powder room, which is nice to have downstairs. Let's head on up to the second floor. Up on the second floor, we have this glass railing over here, looking out some more windows. You have plenty of height over here, looks like at least 20 feet of height. And then we have room for a bed, definitely room for a queen bed, maybe even a larger one if you prefer. And over here, nice little work study area, maybe an office space, maybe some more storage. And then through here, we have your washer and dryer. This looks like a combo unit with a walk-in, kind of walk-through walk-in closet that leads to an ensuite right back here. And then there's a shower that's tucked in over there. So a place that needs a little bit of renovation, but could look quite nice once that's all completed. And that's a wrap on our tour today. We visited 3 condos priced under $700,000. They were all a little bit different, but I think for the right person, they all can be a good fit. Now, I think 1 or 2 of them stood out. I'm sure you guys felt the same. Feel free to comment in the comment section below which one you thought was your favorite. I'd love to hear from you. And moving forward, we're putting out a video once a week about living in Toronto, life in Toronto, Toronto condo tours. So be sure to subscribe and like so you can be the first to be notified once a new video is released. That's it for today. We'll see you guys on the next one.